How to fix lag when projecting to PC or streaming to TV. 1. Basic troubleshooting tips. 1.1 Disable then re-enable wireless display adapter. 1.2 Restart your computer. 1.3 Check your Wi-Fi connection. 1.4 Use the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band channel, if you can. 2. Check for other wireless devices in your network. 3. Use only one display. 4. Change refresh rate. 5. Remove the Microsoft Wireless Display Adapter driver from Device Manager, and let Windows install it automatically. 6. Reset the adapter. Path. Pressing the reset button, choose Ready to Connect Access Action Center, choose Connect. Plan B. Connect your Microsoft Wireless Display Adapter to an HDMI port. 7. Update the OEM drives using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide.